Good day, welcome to Multinet Design in the continuation of our modern use design that we are working on. So in the last episode we were able to design all the side for the reality of the building. So in the ground floor, this is what we have: the tenant side and the attached duplex, the attached duplex for the clients. So we have upper floor, which is the room designated, and the upper floor for the tenants. So in the last episode we created the stair and everything. So let us concentrate and start working on the elevation one after the other. So what we do is that ground floor plan. So let me for put the foundation parts in order. So I'll select all instance here, then go to I'll select all instance here and I say copy to clipboard. So now I'm going to foundation, where I'm going to paste to a start position. So I'm going to say paste. So align to the current view. So everything is there. Click on join elements. So this will go. So now what I do is that I will remove this one, since I know the total height, which is what one. So I have to separate the slab thickness. So which is 800. I'm going to put here. So everything is going to come down to the part supposed to be. So I'm going to remove all these windows are not needed for me. So select all instance in this view and you say delete. So do the same thing to the others. Select all instance in this view and delete. So do the same thing to everything that you see that is opening. So select all instance, select all this view and delete everything. So anything that is not advisable, so I'm just going to select them and delete them. Select and delete, so that I will be able to free from everything that's unnecessary. Now the next thing I do is that this one I will say create. So push this in order and set it up. Now align, then align to this. So push this one to meet up with this. Fine. So then you close all this one, then do the same thing here as well. So do the same thing here too. So what you do, just like look like the 3D, and this is the 3D that we have. So this one is not up to this. So just go to elevation and see whether you have any issue or of correction to do. So I think that slab is not thick enough. That is why. So let this update so that I'll be able to work on it and clarify the issue at once. So it's because I have never opened this page before. That was the reason why the whole thing is getting dragged. But don't worry, it's called a graphic system. It will be updated. So here where I have the whole thing. So here the thickness is what? Let me check. It's 150, which is not accurate. So I'm going to say duplicate. I'll be able to do that once. So I'm going to say 200. I think we're done with that. So click OK. So I'm going to change this one to 0, so I'll be able to align with the right part. Good. So what do I need now? Since I have this in place, I will go back to my. So what I now need is to now focusing on my elevation and start doing them. But before then, I need to work on the roof part. So I'm going to go to roof. Let me go to level 3. So I will say underlay. Let me see what is available at level 2. So let me see roof. And how did my roof will flow? My roof is going to fall the whole water to the back side here. If the slope is too much, I'm going to consult something different. So what I do is that, anyway, let me start. So I'm going to say architecture, roof, footprints. Take it like this. Then all you just need is draw this inclusive. Then the next is that you pick this up, then draw it. So you trim everything that's not needed. Delete this one. So since you have all this one, just select all. And what will you do? You say define slope. So you do the slope of this one alone by reducing it to the barest minimum. So I'm going to say The best is that I do it at say 6 degree. So when I click finish at the level 7, I will say don't attach. So I'm going to go to this place and see what I've created. This is how the roof will look like. So you can check it like simple elevation program, and this is how far it gets to look like for you. So the next thing you need to do is to now work on the elevation, which is what we are going to do. But what I need to do first is that I will select this before I continue with that. Select this and say select all instance in this view at the level 2. Sorry, go to level 2. Select all instance in this view, and you say copy to clipboard. Understand? So you go to level 3, then you drop this. Then all the internal you are going to do what, remove them. So select and paste to the current view. So this one does not determine whether those things are going to work. All what you just need to do is to select the internal parts. So I'm going to select everything one after the other, and I will delete them. No, what happened? So select and delete. To select everything, all the internal wall is not needed, so just delete to make the tidy work straight up. Okay, so you can select external and copy like that. I just decided to do the way that feels okay for me. So what I now do is that I will just trim everything. Okay, just trim all. That's fine. So we select here now. This is select all instance in this view. Select all instance in this view and delete. So do the same thing here and get up. So you just like create this one to align with this. Okay. So with this now you can go to 3D and see that okay, you are getting the whole idea all together. So this is how far this thing is going to be, but it's not going to be of this height. Just delete this one. You can delete this one as well. Now you trim this. You trim it. So you can select it for side. Then what you do is that you reduce the height to 20. So it will not be too much and too. So when you look at it from the elevation like this, so I think it's okay. Get a 3D and see it, and you see okay, it's getting to the level which you want it to be. So it's not finished yet. The work just started. So what we need to do now is to now program in everything one after the other. So for what thing I do here is that this one is going to be more taller. I'm going to go higher. So this is the pattern in which you're going to be taking place for. So I will continue from this elevation to a very beautiful part where we are going to get it done. So but before then, let me quickly do a really simple railing to cover this place up. So go to level 1, then you say work, and then you create a railing system here. So you fix this in place. So I'm going to do railing here. Fine. So select this one and delete. So click finish. Good. So go to 3D and see how far. So this one is there. It is not yet finished because we are still going to construct something here that is going to speak a big volume to the part of design we are doing. So after all, we have gotten this one in order. We make a statement with this. So the next thing we are going to do is to concentrate on the elevation purely and start deciding on how far the whole thing will go. So see you in the next tutorial where we are going to do all those basic in the full composition. So thanks for watching. See you. God bless you.